Hello everyone. So welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the aspirants of the NEET. So in this video, we will discuss in detail about the information bulletin released by one of the premium institute, Indian Veterinary Research Institute IVRI, for the admission under undergraduate program Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, in order that you might not face any kind of difficulties while applying for the counseling and admission procedures. So getting started with the introduction for the Indian Veterinary Research Institute, it was established on the 9th December 1889 as Imperial Bacteriological Laboratory at Pune, Maharashtra, and was shifted to the Mukteshwar district, Nainital, Uttarakhand in 1983. The IVRI gradually expanded to the present size with its headquarters at Izzat Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, and campuses at Mukteshwar, Bangalore, and regional stations at Palampur, Kolkata, and Pune. The administrative control of the institute is vested with the Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR. The merit list of the NEET UG 2020 will be used for the admission in BVSC and AH, Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry undergraduate degree program during the session of 2020 to 2021. In addition to this, the candidate has to satisfy the eligibility criteria as per the Veterinary Council of India VCI MSVE Minimum Standard of Veterinary Education Regulations 2016. The duration of the Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry degree course is spread over 5.5 complete professional years, including a compulsory rotating internship of 1 year duration. So now coming to the number of seats available at IVRI for Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry undergraduate program is total of 24. There are 21 seats, 3 for SC candidates, 1 for ST candidates, 5 for OBC candidates, 2 for economical weaker section candidates, and 10 for general category candidates will be filled up by the IVRI deemed university through online counseling on the basis of the NEET UG 2020 merit, and the remaining 3 seats, 2 for general and 1 for OBC candidates, will be filled up by the Veterinary Council of India. So simply IVRI में total amount of seat कितनी है हमारे पास 24 for the Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, जिसमें से 21 seats तो IVRI की काउंसलिंग के थ्रू भरी जाएंगी, and the remaining 3 seats, 2 for general and 1 for the OBC, will be filled up by the VCI counseling, that is Veterinary Council of India. So now coming to the reservation of seats for BVSC and AH at IVRI, there are 15% seat. It means 3 seats are reserved for SC candidates, 7.5% seat. It means 1 seats are reserved for ST candidates, 27% seat. It means 6 seats are reserved for only non-creamy layer of OBC candidates, and the candidates from the creamy layer and those who don't come under the central list of OBC are advised to mention the category as general. There are 10% seat. It means 2 seats are reserved for economical weaker section EWS of general category candidates. There are 5% seat. It means 1 seat are reserved on the horizontal basis for the Divyang category physically handicapped candidates as per the Rights of Person with Disabilities Act 2016 and as defined in the MSVE Regulation 2016 and under Section 5th of 4 of this Information Bulletin. So you might now confuse between the non-creamy layer and creamy layer under the OBC category. So simply under the other backward classes there are two subcategory of non-creamy layer and creamy layer. And if the candidate belong to the non-creamy layer of OBC, he or she will get seat under the reserve quota of 27%. And if the candidate belong to the creamy layer of OBC category, he or she will be treated as a general category candidate. So now coming to the eligibility criteria for the admission under BVSC and AH at IVRI, the candidate should be Indian national. He or she has completed the minimum age of 17 years on or before the 31st December 2020. Further, the maximum age should not exceed to 25 years on or before 31st of December 2020. There shall be relaxation of maximum age by 5 years for scheduled caste SC or scheduled tribe ST or other backward classes OBC or Divyang category candidates. Now coming to the essential qualification, he or she has passed the qualifying examination as defined under the Veterinary Council of India MSVE Regulation 2016 with subjects of physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology and English as a core course and obtained marks as specified under the regulation, or an examination equivalent to the intermediate science examination of Indian University or board recognized by the Association of the Indian University taking physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology, including a practical test in each of these subjects and English. As per the MSV Regulation 2016, a candidate under the general category for admission to the BVSc and AH degree course shall have to qualify in each of the subjects of English, physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology and obtain up to 50% marks in aggregate of these subjects at the qualifying examination. In respect of the candidates belonging to the SC or ST or other special category of student as specified by the government, from time to time the marks required for the admission shall be 5% less than the general standard, it means 45% only. Admission of student to Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry degree course shall be made only on the basis of his and her merit obtained in the NEET UG 2020, subject to fulfillment of other criteria as laid down above, including the qualifying examination, and no other merit or weightage shall be considered for admission to the BVSc and AH degree course. So simply in the nutshell, the eligibility criteria says that the candidate should be an Indian citizen. The minimum age of the candidate for taking admission under the BVSc and AH degree course at IVRI should be 17 years and the maximum age should be 25 years. There is a relaxation of maximum age by 5 years for the candidate belonging to the SC, ST, OBC or Divyang category. It means the 30 years is the maximum age for the reserved quota category candidates. Now coming to the essential qualification, simply if a candidate belong to the general category, he or she should have an aggregate marks of 50% in physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology, including a practical test of each subject and English as a core course, and there is 5% relaxation for the candidates belonging to the SC, ST or the other special category of student specified by the government from time to time. It means only the 45% of aggregate marks in physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology along with the English as a core in the intermediates will allow you to take admission under the BVSC and AH UG degree course. Along with this, the merit of NEET UG 2020 will be the basis of admission for the UG degree course at IVRI. So you have to fill all the eligibility criteria in order to apply for the counseling and taking admission. Moving on in the eligibility criteria, the physical disability criteria says that a candidate shall not allowed admission to BVSC and AH degree course if he or she suffers the following disabilities, namely disabilities of total body including disability of chest or spine more than 50%, disability of lower limb of more than 50%, disability of upper limb, visually handicapped candidates and those with hearing disabilities, candidates with progressive disease like myopathies, etc., candidates which otherwise would interfere the performance of the duties of a veterinarian. The important note says that the disability shall be certified by a duly constituted and government authorized medical board comprising of at least 3 specialists, out of which 2 shall be of specialty concerned, and the candidate has to present him or herself before the medical board, and the last valid disability certificate of the candidate from a medical board shall not be more than 3 months old from the date of submitting his or her certificate for the disabled candidates. So simply, if any candidate is falling under these mentioned category of disability is not allowed to take admission under the BVSC and AH degree course at IVRI, and if any Divyang category candidate is applying for the BVSC and AH degree course at IVRI, the disability certificate should not be more than 3 months old. So I hope till now the information bulletin is quite clear to all of you. If you found any queries, you can comment your queries in the comment section below. I hope you like the video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Vet It's You. Thanks for the watching, an initiative by Ankit Kaushik.